how to check BDR mic if it is in good working condition that we can hear very well in the BDR. So first, this BDR JRC JCY 100 BDR. So go to check. Then after that one, if you can see the audio, just click the audio. Then after that one, we will test radio space. For example, like this one. Then after that one, record. Then we will go now to the radio space. Then we will see. We will make some noise there. So if you can see, this is the mic for radio room. So test. This is radio room. So after that one, we can stop. Then we will play. You can see, we hear my voice even I'm here in the BDR part.
So if you can see, this is the mic for radio room. So test, this is radio room.
So that's it, how to test. Then we will put good. For example, we need to test to the another area. For example, in the BHF. For example, like this one, BHF Bridge Console Center. So we just record. Then if you can see, this is the BHF. Then I will make test. This is test. This is test for BDR. This is test for BDR. Then stop. Then we will play. This one is from BHF.
Make test.
You can see.
This is test for BDR. This is test for BDR.
So all is recorded in the BDR here on the bridge. So that's all how to test this mic for the BDR. So I hope it is helpful to you. Thank you.